Hi friends, it's Miss Kelsey and I'm here with my boys,
Brock
and
Bowen.
And today we are making bird feeders.
I've already started on mine.
We're making two different kinds and hopefully it's with stuff that you already have around your house. And since spring was here last week, we decided it would be fun to make some bird feeders. A fun app that you can download is iNaturalist, and you can take pictures of the birds that you see and see which ones are native to your area. Brock is making a bird feeder using an apple and just poking sunflower seeds into the apple. And when he's done, we are just going to set it on this bird feeder and hang it in the tree. If you don't have one of these, that's fine. Don't go out and buy any special supplies. There's lots of things that you can use from home. You can poke a straw through the middle. Just a minute. You can poke a straw through the middle, run a string through it to hang it, and you can poke 2 sticks through the bottom to make a little perch for the birds. So you go ahead and start that. Are you ready to start yours? Okay.
So if you don't have a bird feeder, you could just build one.
That's right. Okay, so Bowen has started his bird feeder. He has a toilet paper roll that he's spreading peanut butter on. If you have a nut allergy, you can use a sun butter or something like that. Yes. So when he is done spreading the peanut butter, we are going to roll it in some sunflower seeds.
Now I'm going to make my own.
So Bowen has finished rolling his bird feeder in the sunflower seeds. We're going to take some string and put it through the toilet paper roll.
I'm going to get an apple and make my buddy.
And just tie it up, and we will go put it in the tree.
This is going to be my.
All right, Brock has finished his bird feeder. Go ahead and slip that on. There we go.
Right there, perfect.
Now it's time for me. Maybe I'll make it.
Here we go. We hear the birds out chirping, so hopefully they come find our bird feeder soon.
Oh! Eagle. I'm not